palms. Alright, okay. So, one, then guys, after that, you're going to go forward. Here naman again. A little bit heel up. Alright, then you're here. Yan. So guys, nagpapakuha ko ng videos. So, send ko sa TikTok. Good, baksak. That's your heart rate. That's your timer. Don't mind your pace, don't mind your distance. Just go with your timer and heart rate. Okay? Alright, okay. Ganda na ng ano. Okay. Okay guys, again.
Masaya, ano lang naman yun.
Kasakali.
Oo, makasakali.
Ako hanggang 160. Eh, yung takbo ko nga kanina, 164 na.
So guys, ready? Are we good? Everyone's good?
Palisar lang ikot.
Sir, within 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, okay? Here. Ang heart rate. Sir, how hard? 51, yeah. Sir,
Yeah.
you can feel 5 mo ng 140. Ay, hindi. 136 or 140. Tapos after, sir, meron ba tayong sakit sa
Wala
bulsa?
naman.
Okay naman tayo?
Sa bulsa.
Okay,
Sa bulsa.
okay na sa bulsa, wag lang sa puso. Alright, okay. So, once na nag-ano tayo na 140, maintain mo yun for 5 minutes, then 139. Start. So, your last 1 minute, pang 6 you're going for all out. Then once I said, stop, start no, ay then go and stop. Kapag stop, lakad kayo. Okay, then after, check your time dito. Pagka nag 7 minutes. So, hindi sila kagad nagpapasit. Pero mga after 3 minutes yan guys, yan na yan. So, mag-init na yan. Ayan na, kaya mapapansin nyo, pagdating dito niyan, maabutan na nyo yan. Teaser.
1 minute pa lang, 170 na heart rate. 1
1
minute pa lang, 170 na heart rate.
Okay, yeah.
Big bite, big bite.
Alright, you're almost there.
Hi, Mom!
Alright, nice one, Mom. Almost there. Go, go, go.
Go!
Alright,
Let's go, sir!
lapit na. Then we're going for all out.
Go press!
Good job, good job.
Go, ma'am! Go, go, go!
Alright,
sir!
nice, nice. Ganda ng cadence, oh.
Apo.
You know his cadence is 190. Kaya ganun siya ka-efficient. Yeah. Serene? Serene. Start! Go!
Let's go!
Go, Fred!
Palis. It's fast, it's fast. Pero medyo sa sprint niya, nauna yung lower niya. Extremities. Alright, pagka napalis
Sa torso.
niya, kasi
Go, Nine! Go!
kaya lagi niya sa yeah, wala. Kaya yung torso na naiiwan.
Pero hindi naman siya overstride.
Nag-overstride siya nung nag-start siya ng 1 minute. Ng last 1 minute. Alright.
Nasa yung siguro niya.
Na-feel na niya,
Hindi pa
na-feel
ba
na niya.
matatapos to? Hindi pa ba matatapos? Yes! Let's go! Diretso!
Yun yung ayaw mo ng ano, ayaw mo ng diretso. Di ba? You felt that earlier. no?
Almost 10 seconds
okay, good.
away.
Go!
Go pa! Ah!
Stop!
Yay! Stop!
Walk, walk!
Stop everyone! Stop!
Stop! Wala si sir.
Stop!
Ayun.
Alright.
Hindi pa rin.
Okay, just walk. Don't save your watch. Sige, paganahin nyo lang. Don't stop your clock.
May
Lakad lang. Good job. Okay guys, good job, good job, good job. Galing.
Yay!
Alright. Sakto yung shoes mo. For speed today, Takumi. Nasakto.
Oo nga.
Takumi.
Wait, baby.
Alright,
Speed
sakto.
shoes eh.
Speed shoes, good. Congrats, okay?
Hinga.
Alright.
Solid, bro.
Alright, so everyone. Okay. Stop your clock. Alright, stop your clock. Okay, good. Okay, that's it. Alright, okay. Sir two. Alright, save. Good. Alright, you did great. You did great. You can save it. Alright, okay, good.
Ay, tabi na ako nabitin kay
Alright,
Nico.
so here.
1 second yan mo. Per 100 meters. Bukas!
Mahirap ba, ma'am?
1 second.
Okay, good. So, sige, tingnan natin. How's it, Gaga? Okay. How are you? Are you okay? Are you okay? Good. You saved your, you saved it. Alright, okay. Okay, good. Alright, good. Alright.
ayuda. Kanina to. Thank you.
Alright, okay. So, let's check.
Ang hirap yung ano. Bigay todo.
Yeah, alright, okay. How does it feel? Alright, okay, good. Alright, good. So, let's just save it now. Alright, okay. So, that's your maximum heart rate.
Wait, baby. I'm still recording. Ilan yung ano mo?
180.
Yan.
Yung maximum heart rate, ma'am, you can send it to me. Okay, pwede mong i-send sa akin. Tapos yung resting heart rate, i-send mo rin sa akin, ma'am. Doon natin makukuha yung target heart rate natin, no? Okay, alright, okay. So everyone, we're good? We're good?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Anong heart rate niyo, ma'am? 181.
Papansin nyo, pagdating dito niyan, maabutan na niya yan. Sir.
1 minute pa lang, 170 na heart rate.
Okay, ready? Let's start. Go! Alright.
Sa Philippines. That's 1K.
Ang bilis na nakakano.
Yeah.
Nakasombrero.
Pupodyo niya ng 30 to.
Ilang ano yan, Tito?
Si Al,
Ha?
sama mo si Al.
6 minutes. 6 minutes.
Narad, sama mo si Al.
Ay, wag mo.
Pagawa mo. Mga one of the strongest boys din. Yan. Mas mga lambot. Si Al.
Sali mo dito si Sepi.